Hello, welcome back to PriyankkaDadwal's channel. Today I'm going to do the unboxing of the Pia package that I've recently received from the brand Nivea. I'm very excited to see what is in the box. So without wasting a time further, let's get started. So this is the box that I have received. Yes, it is clearly seen what is all in the box. So let me show you one by one all the products. So the first product that I have received from this brand is this Nivea's 24 Hours Melt-in Moisture Cherry Shine Caring Lip Balm. In my next upcoming video, I'll be showing you all the demo application and review of all the products that I have received in this package. So let's see what I have got second in this box. So the second product that I have received from this brand in this package is this Nivea Soft Light Moisturizing Cream. The third product I have received from this brand was Nivea's newly launched Nourish 48 Hours Deep Moisture Care Body Lotion.